Yo, what is going on YouTube? So many of you have been asking for an update on how to get Gorilla Tag mods. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys. This method of getting mods on Gorilla Tag takes just a few minutes using a working promo code. So this is definitely the easiest method to access the secret mod menu in Gorilla Tag, and this requires no PC, no Discord, and it is working right now in 2026. Like I said, this is just a code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to give you access to the secret already built in mod menu. So guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because so many of my viewers are not subscribed. And let's not waste any more time, and let's show you guys how to get mods on Gorilla Tag in 2026. So as you can see, this is a no PC method, so you need to use your mobile phone to get your Gorilla Tag promo code. So just use your mobile internet browser, and you've got to head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So just type it exactly how I've typed it here, and Crash Coupons is a game coupon code website, and they have hundreds of pages. So what I'm going to do is use the search bar and just type in Gorilla Tag. And as you can see, there is 3 verified promo codes on this page. So what you're going to want to do is just scroll down and look for the mod menu code. This is going to get access to the secret mod menu in Gorilla Tag. And this takes just a few minutes, guys, to get your code. And this is 100% safe because it is just a promo code, guys. So there's no third-party script or anything like that. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your Gorilla Tag mod menu code. And this basically prevents people taking more than one of these codes. It does limit 1 code per person. So to go ahead and start the process of unlocking your code, you've got to click on that button and follow the instructions on this page here. Now this takes about 5 minutes. I did this earlier and it is actually super simple. You just need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. So what that means is, guys, if you scroll down this page, you're going to have a list of tasks. And these are really easy and completely free things, such as installing and opening mobile apps, answering surveys, and just filling in some free details. Download and install this app, for example. Play mobile games until certain levels. So yeah, just really easy. Just make sure you do follow the instructions below each of the apps, because that will verify you as a real person. And once you complete 2 of them, just take your time. It's going to take about 5 minutes. It will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Gorilla Tag mod menu code will be revealed in this box. And you go ahead, redeem it in the computer in game, in the redeem code part of the computer. And that is how to get mods on Gorilla Tag in 2026. So yeah, that is the easiest and fastest method, guys. Go to Crash Coupons and make sure you navigate your way to the Gorilla Tag promo code page, select the mod menu code, and follow through the instructions to unlock your secret code. Make sure you like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.